What's up YouTube? Welcome to the 7th update of my model airport. My airport is based in Melbourne, Australia and is in 1:400 scale and fictional too. A lot of progress has been made, let me just show you, especially on the international terminal, more 3D printing, yay. And also a bit of stuff on the runway and cargo terminal, but yeah. So let's get to the first model. Here we have a Qantas Airbus A330-300 in the Silveroo livery or New Here we have a Qantas Airbus A330-300 and flown from Tokyo Narita a while ago, and yeah, just sitting at the parking stand idle. And near the cargo terminal we have a Turkish government Airbus A340-500 flown from Dubai, and yeah, just with some government officials on board. And yeah, this is the freight terminal, and I've put a roof on it, pretty nice. I wouldn't say it's 100% done, the freight terminal, but it's mostly done, so yeah. And yeah, more work on the international terminal. I might have the lights turned on next update again, but this update I chose not to have it on. But yeah. And here at the international terminal we have a Virgin Australia Airbus A330-200, and we'll head out to Hong Kong very soon. And yeah, next to that we have a China Airlines Airbus A350-900 in the Taiwan Blue Magpie livery. And yeah, flown from Taipei a few minutes ago, and yeah, just passengers, I guess. And yeah, here we have a Vietnam Airlines Airbus A350-900 in the SkyTeam livery, and yeah, we'll head out to Ho Chi Minh City. Of course, there's a delay in that with departures. There was bad weather earlier, let's just say, and yeah, all the flights were delayed. Now there's a surge in departure movements, and yeah. Here we have a Emirates Airbus A380 in the USA livery and livery, whatever. And yeah, we'll head out to Dubai very soon. And the last aircraft at the international terminal, we have a Qantas Airbus A380 Indigo Wallabies livery. And yeah, flown from LAX a while ago, and yeah, just getting cleaned inside, and yeah. And again, at the aircraft waiting to depart, we have a Qantas Boeing 737-800, and yeah, taxied out from the parking stand next to the Qantas A330, and yeah, we'll head out to Denpasar, Bali very soon. And yeah, the aircraft behind the Singapore Airlines 787 is the Airbridge Cargo Boeing 747-8 freighter, and yeah, we'll head out to Hong Kong. And yeah, the aircraft here, which is holding short of the runway, we have a Singapore Airlines Boeing 787-10, and yeah, we'll head out to Singapore Changi. And yeah, I've done some stuff on the runway, finally. I just stuck some pieces of cardboard on it, since painting it would just be too hard and messy, but yeah, it looks very good. The runway isn't 100% complete again, but you know, it's almost done. Looks very nice, and yeah. And yeah, the aircraft that's lining up on the runway is the QantasLink Boeing 717, and we'll head out to Gemini Jets Australia's airport. Yeah, if you want to subscriber route in the next update, just comment down below and chuck a sub and a like if you haven't already. Thanks. And yeah, let's move on to the rest of the airport. And we're back at the old international terminal. Here we have a Garuda Indonesia Airbus A330-300, and yeah, flown from Jakarta a few minutes ago, and yeah, just passengers getting off. And next to that we have a Lufthansa Airbus A350-900, and yeah, we'll head up to Frankfurt via Singapore very soon. And yeah, one of my new models. Here we have a Air Tahiti Nui Boeing 787-9, and yeah, we'll head out to Tahiti via Auckland in about an hour or so. And yeah, just taxiing towards the gate. If you can't see it, oh sorry, I can't focus. But yeah, here we have a China Eastern Airbus A320 with sharklets, and yeah, flew from Shanghai Pudong via Denpasar, Bali. Yeah, and oh please focus. And yeah, here we have a British Airways operated by Comair Boeing 737-800, and yeah, just flew from Perth. And the last model at the Old International Terminal. Let me just move the camera. Yeah. Come on, never mind. But yeah, here we have a Jetstar Airbus A320, and yeah, flown from Auckland. And here the non-existent domestic terminal. This is something new that I'll be putting in these updates now. I thought it'd be something cool, and I should put something here in the future. More 3D printing to do, yay. And so yeah, let's get to the first aircraft again. Here we have a Virgin Australia Airbus A330-200, and yeah, flew in from Perth about 20 minutes ago, and yeah. And next to that we have a Qantas Boeing 747-400ER, and yeah, we'll head out to Sydney very soon. And next to that we have a Qantas, oh please focus. Here we have a Qantas Boeing 737-800, just doing a special training flight. And yeah, we'll head out to AJ Aviation's airport. Yeah, and yeah, next to that we have a Jetstar Airbus A320, and yeah, we'll be heading out to the Gold Coast. And yeah, our last aircraft in this update, we have an Edelweiss Airbus A340-300, and yeah, flew from Zurich via Phuket, and yeah, just taxiing towards the runway. And yeah, just because of all the delays in that earlier, it's yeah, all the way down here in the airport. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I would appreciate it if you check a sub and a like. And yeah, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.